From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Kyle Elliott here with the medium range forecast and video discussion issued on Wednesday, December 11th. Well, it certainly is very mild but wet here during the middle of the week. However, a cold front is currently traversing the eastern half of the Commonwealth, and west to northwesterly winds in its wake will usher another brief blast of Canadian air into the region late this week. However, that Arctic air will not have the same staying power as our frigid blast last week, and by the weekend, temperatures will already be moderating and back up around average by Saturday and Sunday. So let me jump right on into things here and start by taking a look at the GFS model for 1 p.m. on Saturday, and you'll notice the Canadian high pressure system that will be right over the Commonwealth later Thursday night into Friday will shift into New England over the weekend, and the clockwise flow around that high will mean that winds will be coming back around out of the southeast, not only on Saturday, but also into Sunday. And with that southeasterly flow present across the mid-Atlantic states, well, that's going to draw that slightly milder air back into the region. You'll also notice this storm system here over the central states. The Euro's in good agreement with the GFS, basically showing these two features in the same locations. That storm system is going to slowly trudge eastward over the weekend into early next week, but it will be running into this large Canadian high pressure system, and as a result, it will start to weaken as we move forward into Sunday. You'll notice we're still in that southeasterly flow regime across northern Maryland and southeastern PA, so expect high temperatures to be back up around 40 degrees on Saturday. There will be a pretty thick veil of cirrus clouds streaming eastward out ahead of that disturbance, so that will dim the sun on Saturday, and then those clouds should lower and thicken later Saturday night into Sunday. But what I've noticed here over the past 24 to 48 hours is that models have trended slower with this disturbance's eastward progression. So if the trend continues, Sunday may actually turn out to be dry, and that rain may not arrive until Sunday night and then continuing into Monday. So I'll just have to keep an eye on that. But as we look at the European model again, you can see it's in really good agreement here with the GFS by 1 p.m. on Sunday, showing that rain still west of the Appalachian front. So no matter how you slice it, I do think much of Sunday at this point does turn out dry. There is a chance for rain later in the afternoon, but that better chance for soaking rain comes Sunday night into Monday morning. And you can see that as we move forward by 1 p.m. on Monday, you'll notice the GFS shows most of that rain already off to our east, but we still would have some lingering showers or some steadier light rain in the morning. The European model, again, is basically the same as the GFS, a few hours slower, still suggesting that especially Monday morning could still turn out wet. But however, with that southerly flow still present, temperatures should be even higher on Monday, or generally back up in the upper 40s to around 50. You'll also notice that by Monday afternoon, there's a second storm system across the central states and a cold front extending to that low pressure system south. That will be moving to the east as we move forward into the middle of next week. That front should slice through the Commonwealth sometime on Tuesday or Tuesday night. The GFS and the Euro are in very good agreement with this as well, so that would also keep that threat of showers or even some steadier rain present in the forecast Monday night into Tuesday. But again, with that low pressure system tracking into the upper Great Lakes, we will be on the warm side of that system, and we won't have to worry about any type of precipitation except for plain rain. So as we take a look at the medium range forecast, seasonable with a mix of clouds and sun on Saturday, high 40, mostly cloudy and seasonable with a chance of rain mainly in the afternoon and into Sunday night, high 44. Mild on Monday with clouds and a few breaks of sunshine. However, keep in mind that if that system slows down, well, most of the rain may actually fall on Monday. So just follow at MU Weather on Twitter for updates later this week. Looking forward into Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers once again with highs in the low 50s. Well, that'll do it for this edition of the Medium Range Forecast. Tune back in next Wednesday for the latest edition. Until then, bundle up late this week and enjoy the rather quiet weather this weekend.